Roma for the ancient history. I will Rome.
Dabi.
Thank you. Sure.
We 22nd June 1987 graphic him and a kind of free. Na se nyame adomna sa graphic ni bia. O share page by Bioatro Tifia was sacked for disputing Jesus' birth. Oh, challenge here. Men can free so na baby amake.
Oh, can free so for brother na ma.
The Roman Catholic Church has withdrawn the teaching license of the world's first woman Roman Catholic theology professor for disputing the virgin birth of Jesus, according to Reuters reports in Essen, West Germany. Ranky Henman, 59, who has held the Essen University Chair of Ancient Church History, and the New Testament for 3 years. Yes, and for the New Testament for 3 years, believes the Virgin Mary conceived Jesus by natural means. A spokesman.
Mama say what study 3 years of the New Testament. Dr. Lances are a chair room of
Okay.
Oh, the school of the ancient history.
Yes.
No part two. As someone can know. So what person will say that something is going wrong here.
Okay. I'll say a spokesman for the bishopric of Essen said Bishop Franz Herzbach had written to the North Rhine-Westphalia State Education Ministry saying Jutta Ranke Henman no longer had the church's authority to teach theology. The dispute blew up last month during the Pope's visit to West Germany when Ranke Henman said church dogma of the Immaculate Conception was an offense to all normal mothers.
What?
And reflected the clergy's anti-sexual and neurotic traits.
When the choir come once a year, what? Pope call her no. Almost a man no. I don't understand the evidence. It's answer. The Catholic for a kind no. Man no about the year two. I'm a year about the who say. Ye cano, ye can't drop. Now, I was a Bible. I am bias. I demand you say Emma because our Father who art in where heaven. Now, dear, the catch the mamma folk who say, and then so call a sword they will say, Bible, no, you can't have a war. Suffer very minimum. Okay. Oh, what do you know? There go see. I don't hear my men I don't who say and then the crowd say this is any Mary woman shame. To my for 17 the crowd will say Bible.
Yes, in 10 years. Your license.
Thank you. What do you say? That's what you say.
Okay.
How accurate is the Bible?
Okay. I'm not sure I say Bisa. That's a children and a pere and anything.
Thank you.
We at times London. Tuesday, not the buyer. How accurate is the Bible? Church of England clergy yesterday rejected.
That's a Church of England now. We will say Anglican Church.
Okay. Church of England clergy yesterday rejected the right of Christians to question the historical accuracy of New Testament account of the virgin birth and the resurrection of Jesus from the dead.
What? Oh, the Susoka. Woman, clergy, any power, that's school, I know.
Yes.
You are born to church, then can the question trade you say, you will be. What's here? Anglican Church. Also, of planning.
Yes.
Quite.
I see in an impassioned debate, speakers attacked the controversial Bishop of Durban, David Jenkins, who has questioned whether the gospel account constituted a literal historical truth. In one widely quoted comment, he linked the resurrection to a conjuring trick with the bones. He also questioned the Christian belief that Jesus' mother conceived him while remaining a virgin. with 12 November 1986.
Yeah.
Okay.
When you are somewhere you can go some. So and obi na kan say be Islam for na kan o. We a piece of fracasa na kan say we say. So no, when trust here something is wrong. And until we have to redefine. Career, mano be see. Almost say you want to say Bible aya bias etia ma.
Okay.
The kind of no, me can a man someone ne. I don't think say our Father who art in heaven. When come amen can home. Our mother who art in heaven. Etinum new Bible samo mbotro abenina no. I will say omoye no father and mother.
Yes.
Na etumi e favor a man no. Ya wo die.
Our father and mother who art in heaven. Okay.
But you know
where the public agenda October 6 to 12 1995. Our father stroke mother in heaven. Was it probably the most familiar words to Christians are those of the Lord's Prayer beginning, our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name, thy kingdom come, thy will be done. Times are changing, however, and if the editorial board behind a contemporary Bible have their way, so will parts of the Bible that imply inequality between the sexes or races. The New Testament and Psalms, an inclusive version published by Oxford for $14.95 instead offers the following beginning to the Lord's Prayer. Our Father, Mother in heaven, hallowed be your name, your dominion come. Even the name of the prayer has changed because, say the editors, the term is reminiscent of hierarchy and inequality. It follows that the phrase King of Kings is also out.
Thank you.
Mentoaso.
Yo, yeah. Oh, the
Does the Bible connote racial superiority and
segregation? Na amwa ema. Into no Bible that say everybody no a father and who art in heaven and mother. To your bar, our mother who art in heaven. Oh yeah, be maswa our father who art in heaven. Na aye equality. Yeah, the go possible. Oba dia sam.
Aben ko to ade.
E be twe sa no. Me fo ba ku ma na fi no me nya na fi nya mbapa. Na men kenkan. Sa me kan topic no
Bible.
Wey, e na book bi so powerful. Oh yes.
Okay.
Almost say Virgin Mary no. Omo nyimi.
Okay.
Akosofo. Yes, we said no. The common will say no Roman for a high. Okay.
Omo abrofo na ka so na de pray.
Yes.
Omo ne ne omo san challenge.
I'm feeling correct. I
said, Pastor, we know. We name what is wrong with him. Pastor, I will share. Enter your number. Let me send this one straight to you. Number that TV no so no. Our friend Bebrino. A text line. It has what the message ever for WhatsApp and answer normal SMS. Me I can kind the amount. What friend more than 19 times, getting to 20 times. Your manager answer. I catch you say. Oh, contribution a person de ba no want to be frame me and foul because how do we connect this
frustrate you
say ye ma enka de person ka ento bibia fafa text message e be kan ma nyesa so nya botre pa na twen ye be sorry a ye be activate phone line ye the phone line out fra na de ye be form na ya to so na wa fra na wa asema wa ka no wa ka because the way I friend who disturb a man for so Mr. P because messages are airban of course we can try more they disturb we Mr. Over the end of the
very young
and also better this all a crab idea dear your Achimota ABC Junction bra of Nkomatia not in the Michiana de Hubiano on an income because of course I had too much ye text ye catch or say jai freno jai because we first were any ye. But I say, minimum of a quay, say, Abroso San. Onim the entire of the other ma Bible no buy it. So, the entire ma Bible no but the New Testament no buy it. The foundation of Christianity.
ya mo share mo ase and a week na me toy taba mano
me penidin no
gunu ma sekura wa ase
engudani mo ase kire na de en gwase enye kire na de
o de man hase na ya jar life mano go of frustrate ma so ya keke topic kan say
o say the virgin birth ana ase no the Virgin and Child with 4 Saints by Francisco Bonsinori.
Italy for
okay. Seka 1510.
He said, "I will how more plan ya. I'm doing na buy no. Are you serious?"
Okay.
If you have been saying, I say, if you see we see, your Hebrew understanding. And Western interpretation. Na somebody say we gunu a mama amanfo ekunu no. Onyankopon. Aw sma na D4. Say oba ne be ma hia awo entumi ma. Eso bi ati asesa. Old Testament we ebi ansimu o. Na so nya sabo from Gabriel. Ama no call Old Testament era. Akọ share some sma no kom. Say oba adom also
ova
yawo
be say kada mo permit me ne ya ade bi say papa beti ase a ti o so for no friend or send message or say please I humbly would like to contribute please it's urgent please and which was after 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and was idea ba say I sincerely apologize for the inconvenience but please and please again kindly permit just 30 seconds very important. So what do we do?
No
but the American say papa this phone ofra besi that connected to the system ni akasa.
Yeah, understand
that is the question.
May I continue?
I say
man time for
ya sound this so naive.
Oh agent
ya mo who say
allow him to go let's do our work.
Be our can be no. For now you go so kasa no and person the shema send it in the form of a message either via WhatsApp or normal SMS. Other than that you can wait to say be activate line no then what frɛ sisi adem pause ne metie nko ana no bi aso so issue can tell 30 seconds a besi den a message na say dem am na de amamo
for
what kind of pastor are you?
For say don't listen to this man. People on out there watching you live. Yeah.
You
have to know the worst of the agent of life, no, because they are benefiting. And you know, forget about them. Yeah, they can say,
okay.
What's happening? Say, one angel, I deliver 3 message at my mommy and son.
Okay.
If I say we knew they are fine, the same before no, Old Testament era.
Yes.
I could share or body who come. Bani could the manual. As someone catch it, no, no. Or the come catch it or Bano Crown son. Yes.
Okay.
Mama, no, or die. As someone catch it, I'm going to say, Mamma, son. Mamma, Bobby Sabia. Now, Colana, Obama, no, Obama, a special human being. I'm a tool for Yayawa. Mamma, no, Anamunsa.
Okay.
Mary, the same message now, you're the man,
yes.
I don't think they're different.
Okay.
Something, no, no, papa, I wish you a woman. Because the government family, or by the man, she more, a collar, maybe to recite a force.
But I offer Israel as say, or say, or bad Danian Salmon, so ban the Bema and Shemua, a war Emma into Wino and your force. Kwasi broni ana ade twa kronkron e ba ye hye de aka se kan se ansa na bible ana se Christianity re ba no ne na nanom wo yesom dada omo e de bible nbedu ye no asamo se okra wo som na akutam ne san abosom sem e inferior into amo atoagu ana di twa na chi ono interpretation de bre wo no ana wukramu na so onua bi so edozu ko etimi ko pie root wo ka jo se bra de omo de bre ne nya wo si nya program na ye ntie odi na obeka no na one kasa kran quotation back mo so for aye fa better na obia interpretation of the my quotation no different mo sa wonkonkon na cheche mu wonkonkon so mu se firi nyame ntade nti ebetwa fa quotation back pa na wonkonkon kro na no obeka kire papa Israel say can he say obeka che papa squad say can he say obeka che papa odam say can he say na so bo say on konkron na ene hwe abato okra ba beto asofo yi ni nyina say nyame baako sofo we kasa amanyoko be wini sofo say amanyoko be wini sofo we say hu ni say nyame be kra na mo so na confusion mebresa enti enya botre na church mu a pay attention na ka ye note de te wadri bia no dot down ye wie ana say ye guso kasa no sending in a form of question old man wa idea udi how obek church mu am what ase okay right abusia so wake up Africa so dey yes share there you see the Bible the kingdom message versus the Christian message and you go so no raise eye achichi mu ade ados kwa kansem enche ye beko of apoku down kwa ho na fi ono so dey hot for so na we can say herbal omo and dey Pavian plasma so na fi so no ye hepa plus abadwa so na Pavian plasma so no eno malaria dro enti se wo hwe me na se malaria ana adokro na wa ogitum say malaria wo bra wa call hospital dia bomodin so won sabeka Pavian plasma so bi wono a malaria parasite no ebete na sete e dia mawo ebenege herbal wo mo ana dia badwa so malaria dura na mansa nyina gyatum no na de di makotre pa na friend hepa plus no immune system booster e boost immune system no na immune system na boost no adwuma so nko wa so enti na hede to no ho a bo se brebo akoma na se brebo edem na ne nyan se esiesie brebuom eyi brebuom nyaroa ne brebuom ha nyina de firi ho e ma tumi gira wona so ye pa na ye nua ma no mo a se bi ta frache omo haw e mo fichi ko ho no emu bia wa no hepa plus bia dia dance se ampa e ye du krogen etintitru we oba na se wutie mi a bomodia so baba se tumaka hepa plus onumbia wafiti ko ni nyina no hawo etubetwa bia wafiti ko ni ntumi ma enti ahase mo fu eye kese doctor akora ka say de ekeka ko no chise operation wa bia fibroid ikoyi de mawo so onya hepa plus na ahase no mo a ebe na ni nyina na afi moja na besia ko wo so bia wafiti ko no etumi ba kama but 2-3 days na ajaiba after 4-5 days later na abakakra ebubu no totota menstrual disorder bomode man santumi ka hepa plus bi eno achi no se bia koba se ukoviche na te yaw pa wo mu a fa hepa plus eye wonsuo nanom anopa no anom ni tini mienu awia no anom ni tini mienu anyuma no anom ni tini mienu ni nyina ofiti ko hawo ni nyina ne to betwa ebe mo gina ona so pa enne mo fara mo ko senior school na no mo cha se bum nsa no mo hepa plus ememo ebedi mo gina mu abrofo kro ya awada wo ye mpanye bia ba mai ndo bia no mo a enne ese afiti ko ani nyina so mpeso mu twa yawo na so nya hepa plus a ni nyina to atwa ebe push to immune system so mo gina ona so enti ade no fo bia no entimi mfo afichiri kai ya mampani de bi okasa wo se ni nduane a ebetuma boost immune system no eno be boa ma coronavirus no enche basabasa enti onya hepa plus a wawie aduma ko etoso mienu no Israel consult wose na menka ncho se ukuta sika ope baby invest sika no pe business bi edu sika na wuram ama watu enya mfaso de also ya ne so bebo modern so be Israel consult a cha kwan ye from oketua bia nsha don't give small money chance sika ketua bia nsha fabra fa bewura business nim bosome interest na beba in dollars na wa imagine se bia okuta be 1000 cedis na dia ko sheto kurubim na bosome baaye no interest na aba in dollars usika botra na aguso so wo ho dollar no se san esan kwada nim betu san dia ka ho ana betu bi achaka wo WhatsApp enti bomodia na Israel consult den ne wo so baye odefo obu ani atie ni na so ba baye odefo na ni na twa Israel consult se men kan cho se mo a ete ewo mani so ana se yare e friend se glaucoma ye ni yare na ebi wo so no bomodia so ba Israel consult cha kwan ete ne de dɔhwere ba kontam na yate afiri wani ne so sɛde yatie bia wani no so bɛ kroje bia mawo sara nso so na se bia ya nifra na nifra no ya mfa anwo na mom bibi nti ɛna ma wani fra ya ɛno so de du Israel consult na yɛkeka ma bom na wani ne yɛte ne bɛ yɛ nko ade a yɛ bia nifra fo so wani enti bɔmɔden so ba frɛ 0207 782 482 ana 0244 6865 57 o Francis Hana Mesibi no a Israel consult bejo so na nya duru ho na mo boa ma tumi do dwetire no ewura business ni wie na amoma hu sampa